Hello there. The facts and figures for June 2018 are starting to come in now, and it looks as though it'll be a record-breaking month for many of us. But the one statistic that's likely to stick in your memory is this one in Western Scotland. Last week we had 33 degrees, the highest temperature ever recorded in Scotland, not just for the month of June, ever, which is really quite remarkable. Now, it looks as though we're going to continue to see a good deal of dry and sunny weather in the story, not only through this week in actual fact, but into next week as well. Some subtle differences, and in actual fact, although high pressure stays with us, we're going to see the winds coming from a clockwise direction, so a bit more of a northeasterly flow, a slightly fresher direction that could drive in a little more cloud along North Sea facing coast and just take the edge off the temperatures. But in sheltered western areas, yet again, that's where we're likely to see the best of the sunshine and also the best of the warmth. So as we go through the day, those temperatures are likely to respond. The highest values always the further west. Just a little bit more disappointing, or some of you might say actually a little better, with temperatures generally between 18 and 20 degrees into the east, 25 to 27 elsewhere. That's still 80 Fahrenheit. So it means for Wimbledon, it's going to be another scorcher, a bit more of an easterly breeze, I suspect, around though for Tuesday. Wednesday into Thursday looks likely to see a little more in the way of cloud, but still it's going to be pretty hot indeed. Now, there's not that much in the way of weather to talk about across the UK over the next few days, but this week weather front will introduce more in the way of cloud up into the far northwest, and you can see the first signs of that on Wednesday. In fact, on Wednesday we see a little more cloud generally across the country, with the risk of a few showers perhaps cropping up across southern England. Now, these will be very hit and miss. Welcome news, I know, for gardeners and growers out there, but don't rely on it. As I say, they'll be very hit and miss. And in fact, we're looking at highs perhaps of around 26 or 27 degrees, maybe again a little bit fresher along that east coast. So as we move ahead Thursday into Friday, looks as though we keep that dry, settled story. The wind direction will slowly start to change, and then it's going to start to feel a little hotter again.